Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Agarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. This is the topic of construction of lines, angles and bisectors. Very important topic because it forms the base of the constructions chapter which you will find in all the grades starting from class 6. In class 6 you start learning the use of the compass, the set squares, the protractor and other geometrical instruments. So construction of lines, angles and bisectors forms a very important part of the constructions chapter. After watching the video, you need to download the detailed practice PDF, the worksheet which contains 60 questions of this nature. The link of that worksheet is given in the description here. Just click it and download that, practice all those questions so that you can feel comfortable with this important concept of geometry. Let me also tell you about the basic offers which we are right now giving on part of Suresh Agarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. The ebook of short tricks, already thousands of success stories. Students have qualified Olympiads, they have qualified NTSC, the government competitive exams, 24 different topics of quantitative aptitude covered through short tricks in this amazing ebook, an exclusive ebook, 350 short tricks neatly typed, and video support also. That's very important. If you don't understand something from this, just click the link and watch the video, you will understand it. Then the reasoning course is already there. In the reasoning course, you will find 15 different topics which have the video links in them, right? So whenever you don't understand the topic or the question, you click the link and watch the video free of cost. That's the uh, video course, for reasoning. Then the CBSE practice worksheets is something we worked really hard on because we found that the conceptual knowledge, it's easy to get in the form of textbooks and many sites on the internet they give you these conceptual knowledge, but they don't give you elaborate practice worksheets to practice those concepts. So that's why we are making these worksheets so that your task becomes easier. So you can download all the worksheets and I'm sure you are going to get benefited by them. WhatsApp 9896369963 if you want to get all those stuff at a very nominal cost, or you can visit www.sureshagarwal.in. That's my name in the website to see what PDFs we have uploaded there. The link in the description, it will take you to the 60 question practice PDF of this particular concept of geometry. Let's see the questions in hand. Draw a line segment MN of length 11.7 centimeters. So if you draw a line segment starting from this point M, the length is 11.7 centimeters up to N, right? So it's a line segment. So you need to mark the end points and mark them as M and N. Now from MN, you need to cut off TN equal to 7.8 centimeters. So the length here, this length is 11.7 centimeter, and we need to cut off TN as 7.8. So this point T will lie on MN. So what we need to do is we will take the compass, and in the compass you open the radius as 7.8 centimeters, or you can keep the scale here, the zero of the scale here, and mark a point here. This is point T, such that this part is 7.8 centimeter. And then he is asking you to measure the other part, that is MT, and automatically the MT part should come out to be the difference of 11.7 and 7.8, because you have cut off 7.8 centimeter from 11.7 centimeter. So that's how you need to understand this and approach the solution of this question. So 2.2, 3.2, 3.9 centimeter will be the answer for this particular question if you measure MT. Likewise, in the second question, given a line segment AB, let's see, this is A and this is B, and this the length is 4.3 centimeters. So we need to construct another line segment DF such that DF is double of AB. So what do we do here? You can mark a big line and just mark arrows on both sides, and then start with point D, and then open the compass this much, like from A to B, right? Open the compass this much, place it on D, and then mark an arc like this here, right? So this point, you can mark it as X or any other alphabet. Now place the compass at X and with the same radius mark another arc like this, and this point will now be F. And now DF, this entire line segment D to F will be double of AB because you have marked two arcs, each of which the length was AB. So AB and AB, AB plus AB gives you double of AB. So this line from D to F will be double of AB. That's how you construct the line segments. Now, in another question, draw any line segment PQ, construct another line segment whose length is 4 times the length of PQ. Just like you constructed double, you can construct the 4 times also. So PQ, this is the original line segment, and now you can draw a big line like this and start with a point A. Open the compass from here to here. This length is to be taken in the compass. The radius is to be taken as PQ. Start marking from A, the first arc, from X, the second arc with the same radius, obviously. This is Y. From Y, the third arc, this is Z. And from Z, the fourth arc. Now this point will be B, and this entire line segment from A to B will be 4 times PQ. Now this is how you need to draw line segments which are, of comparable length as compared to a given other line segment. So this is question number 3. Okay, locating the axis of symmetry. This is another very important thing. So if you have a line segment, see, suppose you have a line segment, this line segment is PM. Whatever length, in this case, the length is given to you as 8.5 centimeters, so you can draw that. How to locate its axis of symmetry? The axis of symmetry for a line segment always passes through its midpoint. So what you need to do is to locate the midpoint first. So suppose X is the midpoint of PM, and all you need to do is to draw a 90-degree angle with PM passing through X. And this line, the dotted line which I have drawn there, will be the axis of symmetry for the line segment PM, because it will divide PM into two halves which are exactly the same, and that's how you locate the axis of symmetry. Let's see this question. How to copy an angle? Draw an angle of 44 degree using protractor. So suppose you take a ray like this. Okay, let me have some space on the left side also, so that I can illustrate it to you easily. So suppose you draw a ray like this, and using the protractor, obviously I don't need to do anything. You just draw an angle of 44 degree here. This is 44 degree. Okay, so we need to copy its complementary angle. So you know how we copy the complementary angle? First of all, at this point O, you will have to draw an angle of 90 degree. So I'll draw an angle of 90 degree like this at O, and let's call this as R. So the angle which is formed by this dotted line, the angle of OQ, the ray OQ with OR, is the complement. This angle is the complement of 44 degree, because it will be 90 minus 44, which is 46 degree. So you have to copy the complementary angle. So in order to make an angle which is exactly the same measure as the complement of 44, draw a ray, any ray, say O, PX, okay, and now open the, see, at P you can draw any arc like this and open the compass from here to here. That means the arc here which is drawn, you need to open it from here to here, place the compass here and mark an arc like this, join it, you will draw the exactly same angle as that of the complement of 44 degree. So this is how you draw equal angles. You have to open the compass, how much? Just like this arc. Okay, so this is very important, how to draw, how to copy a particular angle. This is another part of this amazing worksheet. So friends, a lot of such questions given in the worksheet, which is already prepared for you. You can just click the description box here link and it will take you to the website through which you can download that particular worksheet and feel comfortable with this concept. So friends, I hope you will share this video with all your classmates so that even they can be benefited. Do subscribe the channel and click the bell shaped icon for getting all the notifications in future also. Thanks for watching this video and all the best.